everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail. Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding. Hitting the streets, meet and greets is such a treat. Hosting hard in creative ways with gift displays, yes it pays. Making tumblers, t-shirts, and doing custom orders. We be crafting woodwork ready for every quarter. Prepping and stepping, getting ready for the season. In the crafty corner, everybody got a reason. Instructing, sharing, lifting spirits high. Inspired to create, to dream, to try. Be blessed, but most importantly,
Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
be a blessing, no second guessing, every blessing has a lesson.